Hello everyone, I am Nisha.
Hello and welcome to Twins Affairs. If you see our previous videos, you'll know I'm a big fan of fine motor activities. Let's take a look on some very simple activities you can do with your kids in the comfort of your house. In this video, we'll be sharing with you some DIY activities using some home supplies. Activity of the day is beading. It can be a straw beading, pasta beading, whatever is available at home. Take a bunch of beads or straws and use a scissor and cut them into small pieces if you are using straws. Give your child wool or yarn and ask them to make a necklace. Let's have a look. Show me your necklace. Wow, it is so beautiful. Well done. Our next activity is with rubber band. This is very easy and so cool. Simply give your child rubber band and cylindrical object and ask them to put around rubber bands. For cylindrical objects, you may use any bottle or a glass, anything whichever is easily available. Let's do it. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. It's a very good exercise for preschoolers to develop their fine motor skills. It looks very easy to us, but for a preschooler, it takes a lot of efforts to do it. Stretch it and put it. Very good! Well done! Picking pom-poms with clip. This is very interesting. You need pom-pom and clips. You may use different types of clips as per your child's ability. In place of pom-pom, you may use cotton balls. They can use their fingers to press it or fist to grip. Start. Press it. Good. Very good. Good job done! Good! Very good! Is sorting pulses. Mix together 2 or even 3 different kinds of pulses like chana or rajma or any type of dal. I am using rajma and soybean. Give child different bowls and ask them to sort the pulses into the bowls. So like we are using two different types, so I have kept two bowls. Like the video and all our ideas. If you have yours, please write them in a comment below because we love to hear from you. And it will help a lot of other parents. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. See you soon. Bye-bye.